Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today I will demonstrate how to replace a halogen bulb in a LAP223 CAP168 certified Halogen Strobe static flash beacon. This video will no doubt be of no relevance at all to Australian viewers, but may help UK viewers replace a halogen bulb in a LAP223 airport approved beacon. For this, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a glove. Now you don't have to wear a glove to replace a bulb. I will only do so I do not damage the bulb when I touch it. First things first, you will need to remove the outer dome. This is done by twisting it anti-clockwise and lifting it off. Just place that to the side. Then, to access the bulb, you will need to remove the inner optic lens. This is done by unscrewing these two screws. You do not need to remove them all the way, just enough so you can twist the lens off. Now that I have loosened the screw tray, I can just now remove the lens like so. It may get caught on a screw, but it comes off quite easily. Just place that to the side. There you can see the 21 watt halogen bulb. So now I will put on the glove. You don't have to, but I just will so I don't damage it. So to remove the bulb, simply press down and twist to the right, or left actually, sorry, but so the prong comes to the right and then just lift up. You may, like so. There we go. So there is the bulb. Now as this beacon does not need a replacement bulb, we will simply go ahead and put the same bulb back into the terminal. So this bulb uses a P21W 21 watt halogen bulb. So, line up the two prongs with the slots here, both at the front here, and at the rear there's another slot there too. So, push that down, and then twist to the right, so the prong at the front goes to the left and locks into place. Do not be afraid that the chipboard is loose. That's only because the screws that hold the lens down also hold the chipboard. So that is completely normal. So now replace the internal optic lens, lining up these two screw holes here with the screws, and you will need the larger part here over the screws, and then you can twist it on, if that makes sense. So lining them up, lining the larger holes up with the screws until it fits on, and then twisting the lens so the screws line up in the smaller holes, and then when you screw it down, that will lock the lens into place essentially. And let's take off my glove now. Then replace the outer dome. There we go. And there you have it. That is how you replace a halogen bulb on a LAP223 CAP168 certified Halogen Strobe static flash beacon. If you need help finding a light before the end of financial year tonight, please send us an email. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and check us out at Flickr at StrobeAdvice, and we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.